In the refrigerator, they're probably overly cautious about safe food practices and they don't mind struggling with an uncooperative stick that needs to be mashed into toast. On the counter, they're too busy to bother with spreading issues. They want something the consistency of yogurt. But are the room temperature butter people taking any kind of risk? Does butter really need to be refrigerated? The answer is, it's probably a good idea to keep your butter in the fridge, but there are some things you should know. Butter is the butterfat left over when milk or cream is churned, and the solids separate from the buttermilk. While dairy products are usually prone to spoilage, pasteurized butter has enough fat and salt to inhibit bacterial growth. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, butter can safely be left out for 2 days.